Hey, to set custom ringtone on your Android 15 phone, first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Then you will have to navigate and you will have to move into the sound and vibration. Now we will have to start scrolling until we find phone ringtone. When you open it, you can find My Sounds tab. So when you open it, you can actually find all custom ringtones, but you will have to add them by clicking here on the plus in the right bottom corner. And here you can actually get something from your downloads. But when you click in the left upper corner on the three lines, you can actually switch from your phone storage into the Google Drive, some audio files, for example. So in my case, I'm just gonna pick something from the downloads, this one. Now, if I want to get it, I have to go back. And then I have to select this from the list and click save. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.